Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to schedule a meeting on the Webex app. So on the left-hand side panel, you will see meetings. You just click that and it'll ask you for three options. You start a meeting, join a meeting, or schedule a meeting. So just press this button if you want to schedule a meeting and this pop-up will show up. So you can edit the topic for your meeting. Let's say and then you can change the date and time of when you want your meeting to be. You can change the time zone of when your meeting will happen. If it's a recurrent meeting, let's say a yearly or a monthly check-in, then you could do so. You could put in when it starts and when it will repeat. For example, if it's a month, it will start on which day, or if it's like the first Monday of every month, if there is an end date, if there is no end date, or if after a few occurrences, let's say you're working on a project that is time bound, then you can edit that as well. And it'll show you the preview of the meeting reoccurrence at the very bottom. So for this one, the meeting will reoccur every month on the first Monday. So if you want to save that, then you can just press the save button. So meeting links can either be using your personal room or generate a one-time meeting link every single time you create the meeting or the meeting reoccurs. If you want to create this space with all the meeting invitees, let's say it's for new hires and you want to create a space for new hires, then you could just create a space with all the meeting invitees or all of the participants that are going to be in the meeting. Put in a description of what the meeting would be. You can add the people that you would invite into the meeting here on the right-hand panel by adding their name or their email. And once you're done, you could just press schedule. You can close this pop-up and this is where it's going to be showing up. If you would want to message anyone on the space, you could press this. You could go to end of year review on your messaging panel, and this is where the space that was created for that meeting will be located. Going back to the meetings, you can start your meeting, show any joining informations like the meeting link, meeting number, a meeting password, meeting agendas. If there's an agenda that you put on the description, it's going to show up in here, and all of the people who are invited into the meeting itself. If you want to delete a scheduled meeting, you can just press that meeting that you want to delete, go on the right hand side, and you press delete. It's going to ask you if you really want to delete the meeting, and you just press OK if you want to do so. You can press cancel if you don't really want to delete the meeting. If you want to edit the meeting details, you could just press it again, go to edit, and it's going to show you a pop-up once again. And this is also where you can have the option to delete the meeting as well. So yeah, that's how you create a scheduled meeting on the Webex app.